morning, student. Now, the same chapter, probability, and yesterday I have discussed random variable and probability distribution. So, now question number 8. A random variable x is given, probability distribution and random variable are given, and find the value of k. Now, look here. This is question. The random variable x is given, probability distribution p of xi is given, and then random variable is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then now the probability distribution 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, and 7k square plus k. Find the value of k. Student, random variable 0 to 7 are given, probability distribution are given, and now find the value of k. Right, student, summation sigma p of xi, sum of all probability distribution is equals to 1. That means probability of x equals to 0, probability at x equals to 1, probability of x equals to 2, and so on is the probability of last is x equals to 7 are given equals to 1. सबका summation 1 के equal होता है. So now probability of x equals to 0 is 0, x equals to 1 is k, x equals to 2 is 2k, x equals to 3 is 2k, x equals to 4 is 3k, then k square, then 2k square, and then 7k square plus k equals to 1. So our first thing is a k square is a 2 plus 7, 9 plus 1, that is 10k square. Then 12 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8k plus 1, 9k. Then is the 9k and minus 1 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation in form of k. Now factor, right, 10 and 1, 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 equals to 0. First 2 is 10 common, 10k is common, last 2 is minus 1 common. So 10k minus 1 is the first factor, and as another factor is k plus 1 equals to 0. Then k plus 1 equals to 0, then value of k equals to minus 1, but probability is not negative. So now the second value 10k minus 1 equals to 0, then k equals to 1 by 10. Then is the first answer, k equals to 1 by 10. Now the second part of this question, this is the first part, you find the value of k. Now second part, find the probability of p of x is less than 3. Student, probability of x is less than 3, that means probability of x equals to 2, probability of x equals to 1, and probability of x equals to 0. Student, probability of x equals to 2 is given 2k. Right, probability of x equals to 1 is given k, and probability of x equals to 0. That is a 3k, then value of k is a 1 by 10. So this is the 3 by 10 is the second part of this question, 7th question. Now the third part. Then third part of this question, now probability of x is greater than 6. When x is greater than 6, that means probability of x equals to 7. Then x equals to 7 is a 7k square plus k equal, right, then 7k value 1 by 10 square of 1 by 10, 1 by 100, then 1 by 10. 100 is LCM 7 plus 10, that is a 7 plus 10, 17 upon 100. This is the answer of third part. Now the fourth part, probability of x between, fourth part, then probability of x between, x is a between 0 to 3. Student, 0 to 3, that means probability of x equals to 1 and probability of x equals to 2. Probability of x equals to 1 is k, probability of x equals to 2k, then 2k plus k is a 3k. then 3, k is a 1 by 10, so 3 by 10 is this answer. Now, this is question number 8. Same question number 9, right? Now, question number 10. Find the mean number of head in the 3 tosses of a fair coin. Now, look, student, this question, find the mean, but mean and variance is out of syllabus. And now is the discussion mean, variance and standard deviation, right? Find the mean number of head in 3 tosses of a fair coin. 3 tosses of a fair coin, right? Find the mean. So, student, एक ही क्वेश्चन में हम आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि फाइंड द मीन द नंबर ऑफ हेड. एक्स रैंडम वेरिएबल इज डिनोटेड बाय नंबर ऑफ हेड and number of head, and वो भी 3 tosses. That means its total possible outcome is 2 raised to power 3. That means 8, right? And now the 8 possible outcome shows the random variable 3 tosses, then random variable x equals to 0. Now first thing is the probability of x equals to 0, x equals to 1, and x equals to 2, and x equals to 3. X is denoted number of head. X denote कर रहा है number of head को. एक coin को 3 टाइम toss करते हैं. Their possible total possible outcome 8. H H H H H T, right? H T H H T T T H H T H T T T H and T T T. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now is the probability of x equals to 0. X equals to 0. X is denote number of head. Number of heads. So x equals to 0. That means no head. That means all are tail. Right? There is only one case. All are tail. That is the probability is favorable is 1. Total is 8. X equals to 1. That is only one head, and one head is 1, 2, and 3. That is the probability is 3 by 8. X equals to 2, that means 2-headed, that is a 1, 2, and 3. This is again is the probability is a favorable is 3, total is 8. And x equals to 3, that is all our head is only 1, that is a 1 by 8. Now the xi is a random variable. P of xi is a probability distribution. Now random variable 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now probability distribution 0 per probability 1 by 8. Right, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, and 1 by 8. Now find the mean. Student, mean, that is the mean is denoted x bar, and mean is the formula summation of, right? Mean का formula होता है mean, that means summation of xi. मैं आपको एक ही क्वेश्चन में सब चीज क्लियर कर देता हूँ. मीन का फॉर्मूला होता है p of summation of p of xi. pi into xi को मल्टीप्लाई करो प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और रैंडम वेरिएबल. That is 0. Now 3 by 8, 3 2 is 6 by 8, and 3 1 is 3 by 8. Then sigma that means summation. इस लास्ट टेबल का summation क्या होगा? 12 by 8. That means 12 by 8, 4 3s are, 4 2s are, that is a 1.5. This is the mean of this. Mean summation of pi xi. Mean is the other name expectation of x. कई बार क्वेश्चन में पूछा था find the expected value. Find the expectation of x. That means mean find करना है. इसको denote e of x से भी denote करते हैं expectation of x. And now इसी क्वेश्चन में suppose अगर मुझसे पूछा होता find the variance and standard deviation. Also find the variance and standard deviation. तो student variance और standard deviation कैसे find किया जाता है? This is out of syllabus, but now it's a competitive exam. This is the very important. Now find the variance, and now is the formula of variance. Variance, that means denoted by sigma square, right? Yeah, otherwise is a notation variance of x. Now formula sigma pi into xi square minus square of mean. That means sigma pi xi. Now okay, now again this is there are two tables. Now first is the xi square, then now xi square, that is the square of random variables 0, 1, 4 and 9, and now is multiplied by pi. Xi square multiplied by pi, that is this is pi 1 by 8 into 0, that is 0. 3 by 8 into 1, that is 3 by 8. Then 4 is a 12 by 8, then 9 by 8. So 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 12 plus 8, 21 plus 3, 24. Then summation of pi into xi square is 24 by 8. So this is the value of 24 by 8 minus mean is a 3 by 2, square of 3 by 2, right? Then 3 minus 3 का square 9, 2 का square 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 minus 9 is 3 by 4. This is variance. Now variance के बाद आपसे पूछा जाता है then standard deviation SD, standard deviation, that is the root of square root of variance of x. That means square root of 3 by 4, then that is a root 3, square root of 4 is 2. So एक ही क्वेश्चन में मीन वेरिएंस एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया. Now is question number 11. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. If x denote the number of sixes, x denote the number of them. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Student, two dice are thrown simultaneously. That means, what is the meaning of two dice? Two dice are thrown simultaneously. That means total possible outcome is 36. So, right, x denote कर रहा number of sixes को, right, and now x denote number of sixes, any random variable denoted number of sixes. Two dice है, that means total possible outcome is 36. But find the expectation of x. Expectation of x, that means mean find करना है. अब स्टूडेंट रैंडम वेरिएबल क्या होगा 0 1 2, क्योंकि 2 टाइम्स थ्रो कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स रैंडम वेरिएबल इज 0 1 2. सो नाउ सेम मीन फाइंड करना है, यानी एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स, दैट इज द मीन. सो नाउ लुक हियर, फर्स्ट थिंग random variable and probability distribution. Now random variable and probability distribution, then x denote question number 11th. X's denote number of sixes, right? So इसका मतलब random variable is 0 1 and 2. Now find the probability of x equals to 0, find the probability of x equals to 1 and find the probability of x equals to 2. But success is a success, that is the number of sixes. एक सिंगल टाइम में 6 आने की probability, that is the success होने की probability is 1 by 6, single time. But not success, that means failure, that is 5 by 6, 1 minus 1 by 6, not की probability, right? एक सिंगल टाइम में 6 आने की probability, total possible outcome 6. x equals to 0 का मतलब, that means not success, not success, that means both are failure. And is the probability of failure is a 5 by 6 into 5 by 6, there are 2 times. So x equals to 1, that is the success failure or failure success, there are 2 possibility, right? So success is a 1 by 6, failure is a 5 by 6, but there are 2 cases, then multiplied by 2. So now the value is 10 by 36. And this is the value of 25 by 36. Now x equals to 2, that is the both are success. That means success 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. That is a 1 by 36. And same random variable है आपके पास में, probability distribution है, आप mean find कर सकते हो. Same question number 12. Now the question number 12, two numbers are selected at randomly without replacement from the first 6 positive integer. You know student, first 6 positive integer 1 2 3 4 5 6, आपके पास first 6 positive integers हैं और आपको 2 नंबर सेलेक्ट करने हैं. x select, x random variable डिनोट कर रहा है larger of the two numbers obtained, राइट. 2 नंबर जो ऑप्टेन है उनको, उनमें से लार्जर नंबर. सबसे पहले पहला क्वेश्चन आया है कि यहाँ पर रैंडम वेरिएबल, अभी तक सारे क्वेश्चन में, मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन में रैंडम वेरिएबल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0, दैट मीन्स नो सक्सेस. बट यहाँ मुझे 6 नंबर में से 2 नंबर सेलेक्ट करने हैं, लेकिन मेरा रैंडम वेरिएबल कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? एक्स नोट कर रहा है लार्जर ऑफ 2 नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड, लार्जर ऑफ द 2 नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड. इन 2 नंबर अगर आप सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो उनमें से एक लार्जर होना चाहिए, यानी एक उससे बड़ा होना चाहिए. तो इसका मतलब 1 किसी से बड़ा हो नहीं सकता. इसका मतलब ये मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जिसमें रैंडम वेरिएबल 2 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. वाई? क्योंकि टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम 6 नंबर में से 2 नंबर सेलेक्ट करने, दैट इज द टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम इज 62. एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 62? दैट इज 65 upon 1 2. That means 15 is the total possible outcome. But favorable is only 1. Why? Since explain कर रहे हैं हम कि सर 2 random variable है, 2 is the larger of 1. That is the only one favorable cases. 2 नंबर, आप 2,1 लिख रहे हो, 1,2 लिख रहे हो, this is not die, this is number, right? Same अगर मैंने x equals to 3 पर probability find करी है, right? The total possible outcome is same 62, but favorable is 2. Why? That means probability is a 2 by 15. Why? Since कि favorable case क्या होंगे 2, कि सर आपका random variable 3 है, 3 is the larger of 1, 3 is the larger of 2. There are only 1 and 2 cases. X equals to 4 की probability find करनी है, same is the 3 upon 62. Total possible outcome same, then 3 by 15. That means 4 random variable, that is a 4 is the larger of 1, 4 is the larger of 2, 4 is the larger of 3, only 1, 2, 3 cases, favorable 3. Then x equals to 5 and then x equals to 6. X equals to 5 is a 4 upon 62, that is a 4 by 15. Y is the same, random variable 5 is the larger of 1, 5 is the larger of 2, 5 is the larger of 3 and 5 is the larger of 4. Then same is a 60, then is a 5 upon 62, that is a 5 upon 15. That means 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is random variable, this is probability distribution. Same question number 13. Let x denote the sum of the number obtained where 2 fair dice are rolled. X denote करा sum of number. अब sum of number का starting by total possible outcome 30. 30 में 1 1 से start होता है, तो इसका मतलब sum of 2 number यानी 1 plus 1 2, यानी इस क्वेश्चन में भी random variable कहाँ से start होगा? 2 से. X equals to 2, 3, 4 से लेकर 12 तक, राइट? आपको सैम्पल से बनाना आता ही है. सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? 15 स्टूडेंट्स हुज एज आर गिवन. 15 स्टूडेंट की एज गिवन है और आपसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि अगर 15 स्टूडेंट्स की एज गिवन है तो उस कंडीशन में वन स्टूडेंट इज सेलेक्टेड इन सच अ मैनर that each has the same chance of being chosen and the age x of selected student is the recorded, right? In x random variable denote कर रहा है, right, student की age को, and what is the probability distribution of the random variable find करना है, probability distribution find करना है, and find the mean variance standard deviation, all things. So first thing is a very important, random variable और probability distribution. उसके बाद मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन में दोनों में फॉर्मूला बता दिया, मीन, वेरिएंस और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन का, आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. बट रैंडम वेरिएबल एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या होगा? स्टूडेंट की एज डिनोट कर रही है एक्स को, रैंडम वेरिएबल को, तो इसका मतलब रैंडम वेरिएबल एक्स आई हमारे पास में क्या होना चाहिए? एज है 14 है, 15 है, 16 है, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 given, 19 is given, 20 is given and 21 is given. This is random variable. Then probability distribution PI. 14 years वाले 1, 2, right, only 2. And total student 15 student, that is a 2 by 15 is the probability of x equals to 14. Right? Same 15 ages वाले 1, only 1, then 1 by 15. Total student is 15. And 16 age वाले, that is 16 age is only 1 and 2, again 2 by 15. 17 ages 1, 2 and 3, that is a 3 by 15. And now 18 ages only 1, 1 by 15, 19 ages 1 and 2, 2 by 15, 20 age is 2, 2 by 15, and 21 is only 1, 1 by 15. So check is of 15. Sorry, one is mistake. 14 is 1, 2, correct, 2 by 15. 15 is 1, only 1. 16 is 16, 1 and 2, 2 by 15. 17 is 1, 2 and 3, right. 16, 2 by 15, right. 17 हो गया. 18 is 1 by 15, 18, 18, 18, 18, 1 only, right. 19 is 2, 19, 1 and 2, 20, 1 and 2, sorry, 20 is a 1, 2, 3, right. So 3 by 15, 3 और 4 और 6 और 7, 7 और 10, 10 और 12, 13, 14, 15. Guess this is the random variable और सेम अब आपको चूज करना है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 is 70% of member favor and 30% is opposed. Random variable is given 0 and 1. Random variable xi is given 0 and 1. But 0 पर now PI probability distribution x equals to 0 if he opposed, और opposed की probability दे रखी 30% opposed, that means 30 by 100. But x equals to 1 is in the favor. Favor is 2 and 70% of member favor में है, so that is 70 by 100. राइट अब आपके सामने ई ऑफ एक्स फाइंड करना है, यानी मीन एंड वेरिएंस ऑफ. तो स्टूडेंट ये प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर देयर आर ओनली 4 एक्सरसाइज इन सिलेबस कंप्लीटेड. राइट नाउ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर रिलेशन हम स्टार्ट करेंगे टुमारो. थैंक यू.